You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone. Yeah, we alone. We alone.
Good I know. I NewbyFam just got to make my video. I just saw you on YouTube as the first Jamaican YouTuber, and I like your content. I like the vlogmases. I like all your Jamaican vlogs, even the ones now. So continue doing your work. Big up Shauna, big up Daddy, big up Nyla. God bless.
So guys, welcome back to the NewbyFam channel. In today's vlog, we're gonna be doing some Jamaican steamed fish. This is not gonna be no regular steamed fish. This is like foil paper, water crackers. What else we have? Okra, cabbage, corn. What else we have in there?
Love.
Right now, we're gonna show you guys how we prepare our steamed fish the Jamaican way. So this is our catch and cook, aka we catch it in the store.
Yeah.
We bring it home and we cook it.
Right.
Well, technically we didn't catch it. Whoever catch it, the fisherman them catch it, but technically it's still a catch from in the store.
We catch it.
Yeah. So we're working with red snapper.
Yep. So in here I have cabbage, I have pumpkin, I have okra, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. I tend to use the fish tea, but I don't want no noodles in there, so what I do is I sieve it out. So the fish then prep already.
So we got the fish over here already laid out using red snapper fish. Again, we sliced them. There's black pepper, salt, and a little bit of fish seasoning. If you have the Maggi fish seasoning, it's really good. Yeah. You can use that as well, but for now, that's what we're working with. This has, what is it? Lemon peppers and herbs. So yeah. And like I said, we're doing the foil paper technique, so. Look. And just basically just stuff it. And the main ingredient, which is butter, because you know when you're cooking fish, butter is the most important. That's what makes the fish the nicest.
You don't have to see if you have no seasoning and thing. Just fling butter in it, man. And my butter is ready.
Oh.
It's butter.
And you can put this in before or after.
Yeah. You can put it in right now. 4 is good. 5 works.
Couldn't just make it even and done?
6.
Yeah. Now you gotta make sure that you
get the edges good.
Yeah, so it doesn't leak out.
I still gotta put a touch of water in here. So it steams. Ziggy does this nice.
Because he literally folds it and then fold it and then fold it. Look like it's like, help me. 4 more to go. And the thing that I like about this type of meal is you don't have to empty it out of the foil paper. You can eat it right out of the foil paper. Put this in a plate, have the plate underneath, and you don't have to empty it. So it's the second fish, and we literally just do the same thing. You got Now we're just putting them on the grill. You can also put them in the oven too, but as part of our outdoor cooking. So all the fish are finally finished. I mean, obviously I gotta open it to show you guys what it's looking like. I don't know, are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? 5, 4, 3, 2. Final product, very simple, super easy. I'm about to literally dig in right now. Can't wait. All this is missing is just some pepper. Pepper? You put country pepper? Oh yeah. See all the steam? finally, oh my god. Obviously I have to dig in and let you guys know how it tastes because I seasoned it. Go again. Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god! So, a moment of truth. Chef Mike, moment of truth. That right there is steamed fish. That right there. All the slime from the okra. You know, I used to hate okra. I say hate okra because that slimy texture.
No, I feel like okra.
I didn't used to like it.
Kissing is slimy. You can still do it. Plus okra is good too.
If you want to get that okra body, do the food right here.
Okra is good for men and women. It's actually a superfood.
Only thing this is missing literally is just the kalaloo. So y'all, I finally went out and got the gift cards that I'll be giving back to the nurses. Shout out to everyone who supported. I really and truly appreciate it. I also have the receipt right here, something that I always keep whenever I'm doing my give backs. Yeah, so now I just got to distribute these to the nurses, which my sister's going to be helping me with because she is in the hospital and I'm trying to stay out of the hospital. But I mean, if I have to go there, I will. But she's going to be helping me with that. So big shout out to you guys. Really and truly appreciate it. Stay tuned for my next give back, which will be towards the homeless people. That one I'm pretty excited about, but I'll keep you guys updated on that one. Hey guys, so the vlog is actually going to be ending right here because I have a headache that I've had for the past like 30 minutes. Actually it's starting to feel like a migraine, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here because I'm gonna just literally go lay down, probably take like an Advil or a Tylenol and just lay down. It's so funny because as I'm late, like for the past couple of days I've been getting like headaches. I haven't had a migraine in a while, but all of a sudden like that, it's like, I don't know if you ever experienced migraine, you know that feeling like any little sound just annoys you, the light just annoys you. That's how I feel right now. And I actually just saw that I got a mail for a follow-up MRI that I'm supposed to do like every 2 years, but I missed last year because I was pregnant, so I couldn't do the MRI. And I just saw that I got a mail for a scheduled appointment for next year, and I'm like, holy crap, like next year is so far. But I'm gonna try and call them and see if I can reschedule for an earlier appointment if they're not booked out. Yeah, so I'm not even gonna continue to vlog for the rest of the day because like I said, I had my fish and my head just started hurting after, so I even like washed my hair and everything because I'm just so irritated. Oh my gosh, migraine is one of the worst and most annoying thing ever. I overall hate headaches, like I just hate it. So Nyla's currently taking her nap, a late evening nap. I'm hoping that she sleeps for a while and I'm just gonna chill out. Ziggy's finally home from work, so at least I know she wakes up, she can like chill with him for a while. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, our catch and cook. It was so good. The fish tastes amazing. I know I said steam fish throughout the vlog, but it's more known as like roast fish when it's done in the foil paper. But I mean, to me it's still being steamed in the foil paper. It's just roasted on the grill type of thing, you know, not in your regular pot. It was really good, super easy to make. Fish is like such an easy meal to make. Oh my god, you can never go wrong with some steamed fish, brown stew fish. Oh my god, I literally had to shut off the camera and just eat off that whole thing. And Nyla ate so much, like she loves fish. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I also want to send a big shout out to one of our subscribers who sent us a gift card. I've been meaning to mention this in the vlog and like I just kept forgetting. Big up yourself, I'm not going to mention your name. Shout out to you. And I also want to shout out another subscriber. She sent me something, I think it wasn't last month, it was a month before, and she told me and Ziggy to go and treat ourselves. Big up yourself. It's really nice of you guys to send us little gifts. It means a lot, it really does. Yeah, we really appreciate it, trust me. Thank you so much again, because you guys don't have to, and the newbie fam really appreciate it. Continue to big up your guys self, and see you guys in the next vlog.